One big question I get all the time is, why don't you trade gold? And it's nothing against gold personally, but I'm in a position where I don't want to trade something when price is as high as it currently is at the moment. So basically, when I am looking to trade, I want to be buying when price is in a discount area. Once price has come to that discount area and pushed to the upside, that means it's in a premium area. So if I measure my new range and I reassign myself a discount area, and price is currently sitting around this sort of area here, just sweeping and creating all-time highs, I am not interested in trading above there because we are not in a highly probable area for buys. Now, you could argue that you could sell price from up there, and that's absolutely fine, but realistically, this is a very bullish pair, so I'm only really interested in taking the highest quality setups. So if we measured this real-time chart right now, and we actually get to measure our discount area, you'll see that we're clearly inside a premium area, and I am not interested in that. I would much rather wait for price to come back into this area of imbalance and at least get towards this discount area before I actually attempt to look for buys. And also a massive reason is I like targets, and there isn't really a target at the moment because the all-time high is not going to give me a risk to reward that I would want to participate in. So as far as gold goes, I am waiting for price to come back down to this level and then give me a nice solid move that I can actually take price to the upside.
Here's why 96% of traders fail and how you can join the winning 4%. Step 1. Get the PipsGravity Mastermind Trading Plan. Links in bio. Inside, you'll learn how to spot market structure shifts so you know exactly when the trend changes. Step 2. Master liquidity and fair value gaps. The same concepts banks use to trap retail traders and take their money. Step 3. Use our tested entry techniques to enter with sniper precision and manage your risk like a pro. And Step 4. Follow our trade management plan to scale up without giving back the profits. Stop trading blind. Start trading with a blueprint. PipsGravity Mastermind. Your prop firm pass starts here.